Is your dog getting enough exercise? Are you concerned that your pup is too much of a couch potato? Here's some ways to know if your dog is getting enough exercise. There's signs to look for. Destructive behavior, like chewing or digging. Bad manners, such as playing too rough, hyper prey drive, hyperactivity, unruliness. Any attention-seeking behavior, barking or whining. Restlessness. Your dog might not be sleeping through the night, or your dog might have anxiety. For large dog breeds, you might see laziness and depression. It's no surprise that you'll mostly notice the lack of exercise in your dog's behavior. You also might notice some physical signs, like low muscle mass, a higher fat content, or digestive problems. Higher fat content could also be because your dog is eating too much. Check the weight chart. Go to the vet and make sure your dog's an appropriate weight for its breed and age. Understand, not all dogs need the same amount of exercise. Even within breeds, individuals can vary greatly, and so do their needs.
Make sure your dog's not getting too much exercise.
Look for your dog sleeping more than normal. Is it lacking energy during the day? Does it take longer to recover? Understand what exercise your dog needs. Being loose in your backyard does not count as exercise for your dog. They need some mental stimulation. Try playing fetch or playing with some toys. Also try some long walks. Remember, it's always important to consult your vet and make sure your dog is healthy before you start an exercise regimen. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet videos.